English examination consists of 8 questions in part A. That means in part A there are 8 questions and 3 questions in part B. So in part B there are 3 questions. Candidate must choose 6 questions. Candidate should choose 6 questions. The order in which the questions chosen does not matter. This statement tells you that it comes under combinations, not arrangements. Because the order in which it's chosen does not matter means it has to be the combinations. Find the number of ways in which 6 questions can be chosen in each of the following cases. So first one, when there are no restrictions. Total how many questions are there on the paper? No restriction means don't specify them either A or B. Irrespective of part A or part B, total are 11 questions. You need to select 6 of them. So your answer will be 11C6. That's it. Next. Candidate must choose at least 4 questions from part A. So A, B. In A there are 8 questions, in B there are 3 and you need to select 6. At least 4 questions condition will be greater than or equal to 4 from part A. So if I select 4 questions from part A, how many questions should I select from part B such that the total becomes 6? I should select here 2 questions from part B, then only the total becomes 6. Here it is stress on this word at least, means it could be 4 or more than 4. So if I am selecting 5 questions from part A, so in B how much should I select such that the total becomes 6? Only 1 question from B. I could also select 6 questions from part A. Now how many questions should I select from part B such that the total becomes 6? I should not select any question from part B, only then the total is 6 because all 6 I have chosen from part A. Now right here, from 8 you are selecting 4. So 8C4 is the answer. From 3 you are selecting 2. So into 3C2. Now the second row, from 8 you are selecting 5. 8C5. From 3 you are selecting 1. 3C1. From 8 you are selecting 6. So 8C6. From 3 you are selecting 0. So 3C0. It could be done in this way or this way or this way. The stress is on word or. So whenever or comes you need to add. So if you add, that will be the total answer. 406 is what you get. Clear? At least tells you that you get more than one possibility. In that case, make the table. For correct answer to get, make the table, write all the options, then for each row you write and finally add. Next question. Ram wishes to plant 25 flowers in a flower bed. He can choose from 15 different geraniums. Okay, let us write. 15 are G. And 10 different roses, so 10 R. And 8 different lilies, so 8 L. As you read, first only you write it. And how many flower plants does he wishes to plant? 25 of them. From these 3 he is selecting 25. He wants to have at least 11 geraniums. Means on geraniums the condition is greater than or equal to 11. So whenever at least has come, I will get more than one possibility, so better to make the table. At least 11, so greater than or equal to 11. It starts from 11 and goes on. Next. And also to have the same number of roses and lilies. count of this and count of this should be same. That is the meaning of this statement. Same number of roses and lilies means how many roses are you taking? Same number of lilies should also be taken. Next, find the number of different selections he can make. So let us start. If I assume I am taking 11 geraniums, more how many should I take from these two such that the total becomes 25? From 25 minus 11 I need more 14. Half of the 14 is 7. So I take 7 roses, 7 lilies. Clear? Why am I doing half? Such that these two numbers should be same. Next, I could also take 12. So from 25 remove 12, 13. Half of 13, 6.5. I cannot take 6.5 of roses. So 13 not possible. Go to the next number. 12 not possible. Go to the next number, 13. If I take 13 geraniums, I need 25. 25 minus 13, 12. Half of 12, 6. Yeah, so I am taking 6 roses and 6 lilies. Next number. If I have taken here 14. 25 minus 14, 11. Half of 11, 5.5. I cannot select 5.5 rose plants. So 14 not possible. Go to the next number, 15. From 25 minus 15, I need 10 more. Half of 10, 5. So I am taking these 5 and these 5. My condition is met in each row. More than 11 for geranium and these two counts should be same. First you need to make the table. Now write for each row. From 15 you are selecting 11. That can be done in 15C11. Right? Next. From 10 you are selecting 7. So 10C7. From 8 you are selecting 7. So into 8C7. Next. From 15 you are selecting 13. So 15C13. Into from 10 you are selecting 6. 10C6. From 8 you are selecting 6. 8C6. From 15 you are selecting 15. So 15C15. From 10 you are selecting 5. So 10C5. From 8 you are selecting 5. So 8C5. Clear? This could be the possibility or this or this. So word or is coming, you need to add. So this answer plus this will give you 1941912 is the final answer. Make the table whenever you see the word at least. Write each row. How many possibilities are possible? Then for each row write number of pairs and finally add. That is the answer.